Automotive is a gated category on Amazon, but if you can get ungated, you can make a lot of money selling automotive parts on Amazon. What's happening, guys? ℎ𝐻𝐿 here. We are gonna head into LORDCO to see what kind of sales and clearance they have on automotive parts. All right, so lots to see. Bosch, Castrol, NGK, Prestone. They have big ticket items for sure. That's 100% a guarantee. You just gotta find where their deals are in store. Halogen lights, pretty expensive to start. I don't really see any deals here. Hard to tell because there's no real deal sticker going on, but let's scan a couple of these and see what kind of prices these things sell for on Amazon. So far, guys, I haven't really found any good deals. In fact, most of the stuff I'm finding is marked up 10 to 20% more in this store than if you were to buy it from Amazon. So the equal opposite. I'm still going to roam around and see if I can find anything they're selling here for a discount. There's gotta be something. There's always something. So keep looking is my motto. When you're in a store, scan everything.
Looking up and down the aisles to see if we can find any deals on products, anything. But I don't think the store likes to give deals. They're kind of a very niche store, and the prices are more than retail in the store. So, for most part, I don't see anything that's a good deal.
Because the only discounts they have in store are on their Lucas motor oil. That stuff's on good sale. Castor oil is also on discount. If Amazon could let me sell oil, I would buy oil from here and ship it to Amazon. Looking for final sale reduced to clear. Let's go ahead and scan some of these products and see if any of these products are a good deal for profit margins. Guys, so nothing all that good at LORDCO. They don't have much of a clearance section. It's actually pretty terrible in comparison to just buying brand new on Amazon. Maybe on their clearance stuff that you can't return, you maybe save $5, $10. The manager directed me to head office to see if there's anything there that they may be interested in clearing out. But they would have to give me 70-80% off for me to do any business at LORDCO as far as buying and reselling. But just for the most part in store, there's nothing really, although great service. A lot of people ask me for help, so great customer service. But as far as being a reseller, LORDCO isn't the place to go.